How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. So if you want to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed, then what you need to do is first you need to go with your Play Store. Now under Play Store, you need to search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, if you have any updates under your Instagram, you just need to simply go and update the Instagram application. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is allow all the permissions. So tap and hold on to that Instagram application and go with the app info. Under the app info, you need to go with permissions and make sure that you allowed all of the permissions. Once you allow the permissions, now make sure that you also allow the network access. Go with mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure that you allowed the data access or the Wi-Fi access. And after that, go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Now once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed. You just need to simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, you can refresh your feed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.